Project Dhronacharya. Project Dhronacharya is a train the trainer program. Normally in any organization, how do we select a trainer? Someone who has good knowledge, good subject matter knowledge, good communication skill, and who is ready to stand up and train. Well, that's just one small part of the entire gamut of learning. It's like an iceberg. You see just 1/10 of the iceberg above the water and 9/10 below the water. All those qualities that we talked about, good presentation skills, good communication skills, elucidation of knowledge, these are like the tip of the iceberg which is seen outside. There is a 9/10 of the portion which is inside, which is solid grounding on the theory, or the theory of instructional science, the theory of behavioristic, the theory of psychometrics. Now, Project Dronacharya is a program which is for trainers to take all this knowledge holistic and put it in one intense capsule, that when the participant comes out of this capsule, they will be a full master trainer. So these are not for novices, these are not for people who does not have a communication skill and who wants to get communication skill. No, these are for trainers who want to become better trainers. So we give them a solid grounding on the foundation of instructional design, facilitation skills, facilitation methodology. These are the things which helps a trainer to gain solid grounding. So that's all about Project Dronacharya. It's a 3-day program, and in these 3 days we cover an entire gamut, the science and art of facilitation. And also we go into organizational training need analysis, need diagnostic study, concern validation study, and also measuring the training effectiveness. We also talk about the emerging blended study models, which includes using augmented reality, virtual reality, simulations, etc., etc. So friends, this is a holistic train the trainer program that you can ever see.